Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable standby feature on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the settings app, scroll down and go to the standby section. Finally, tap on the toggle switch right next to standby option to turn it on. When the switch turns green, standby feature is now turned on in your iPhone. And this is how you can enable standby feature on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.